have the hiccups, little one? Middle of the night hiccups. What are we going to do with that?